Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Face ID not available in settings. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing the issue that your Face ID is not available, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to restart your iPhone, but before you do that, you have to open your settings, go to General, go to Software Update, and just try to update your software. And here, if your Face ID is not working or is not available on your iPhone. So you can try to clear this in-depth camera of your iPhone. You have to make sure that there is no any dirt or any dust on your front camera. If you might see, so just try to clear it. Or so after doing that, you can also try to go to your settings here, go to screen time section, go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. Because sometimes it might be that your Face ID has been restricted by these restrictions. So just disable them, then go back, and you can also try to go to your general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset all settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone setting. You will not delete any kind of data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed. So once you have done, you just have to try to make a forced restart before you retry. Now just to do this, quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, just unlock your phone, and here you have to retry and your issue will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to contact with the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store. You can also use the Apple support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select Face ID, and here just wait for the loading, and then tap on get more help, and then tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you'll be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.